Guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the first blog about the chess clubs of Bangalore. तो आज अपन जाने वाले हैं एंड एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं चेस क्लब्स को. सो देर आर क्वाइट फ्यू चेस कम्युनिटीज इन बैंगलोर हु आर डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब. और मैंने सोचा आज संडे है, आज आफ्टरनून है, व्हाट कुड बी द बेस्ट डे other than this to explore the chess clubs of Bangalore. This whole chess event is being organized by the Chess Nexus and they are doing a wonderful job. Hats off to them. पर कोरबंगला सोशल में they have organized this in the afternoon. I don't know how good it will be, but I'm thinking to make some good new friends, interact with them and enjoy the chess overall. तो आज अपन जाने वाले हैं एंड एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं द चेस क्लब्स ऑफ बैंगलोर, एक्सप्लोर द चेस कल्चर ऑफ बैंगलोर. सो लेट्स गो.
This is the rook's file, this is the knight's file, this is the bishop's file. So if the first move is same for the everyone, okay? So when I move the knight, if it is on this file, it becomes a bishop. If the knight comes here, it becomes a rook. It can move like a rook. So the kings and pawns remain the same. If the knight comes to this place, it becomes a queen. But if like any of the keys comes to the king's file, it is the natural move of that particular piece. Right? This becomes a knight and becomes a bishop. The main aim is to checkmate only. So it's a bit fun variant where you can, it's called a punch.
Okay.
Do something different, yaar.
What to do?
Don't play fundamentally.
I mean, yeah, let's
Trying very hard not to play.
not to make it a
So after you castle, the rook becomes a bishop. So it's like
Yeah,
You
I
can-
forgot and
Yeah.
it showed me later that it becomes a bishop.
This one I can take, right?
yeah,
But that is a queen, right?
yeah. That is not blocked. I just answered your question. You can take.
You shouldn't trust me.
So it doesn't matter if you lose the queen as a piece because you can have as many queens as
Yeah.
possible. The place value is nothing for the pieces.
It's the file.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a
It is not a
bishop.
knight, it is a bishop. Could have taken that. Could have taken that as well, right?
Yeah, I can have taken, but
No, but that's a bishop now. Now it's a bishop. You moved it.
okay, I am getting delusional now.
That is to learn.
Knight.
If we ask him, then we will get to know. That's the best way to do it.
Because it's the first game, right? After you play, it will be bit familiar for you.
But I just wanted to give you a glimpse of how the tournament is going. We are playing a 4-player chess and it's kind of crazy. I'm liking it very much. So let me just show you. So you have the best players in the tournament so far and it's a hand and brain. What's your name, man? Sorry. Kushal. Okay, nice. So you have some good players and it's kind of a complicated position right now. on either side of the board, they have Fiancato, the bishop. So it's a long game, I think.
Pay attention to what's happening.
Oh,
I'm too much
Right?
excited.
Oh, you're stuck. JP Nagar also next
Yeah.
Waiting for it.
Oh man, I touched it.
Bring it on.
So, where did you learn the defense? It's very bad.
That will decide after the game.
You should have taken the queen.
Now I have the open side.
Ah, what I did, I messed up. Very bad.
Nothing new. Blunder something.
For the first few minutes, maybe
Oh, see,
You wanted the trash talk. Sorry.
oh, it's fine. Maybe I'm bad with trash talking as well. I don't even know.
Yeah, enjoy with the point.
Oh no.
I think I'm a bad
Just blitz?
Should I go for the end game?
Whatever you want.
End game is what
I got with the 10 star when you were like queen c5 this and that.
Let's go for this. Now I'm writing the message.
I could do Simon, but not today. We do Simon in the future. Relax.
You can have the Commonwealth champion.
No need for that. If you want to come here,
Yeah, we can stay.
How should I do this? Let's go for
Only 3-2 or 5-2?
anything is fine.
We go for 3.
Why you want to equalize every time? That's bad.
Playing blitz or bullet, no?
It's actually blitz.
There is no concept of
Okay, I want Michael to play with this guy once.
pawn structure is bad, everything is bad. What the hell is going on?
It's okay. Nothing new.
Let's see if someone. Once you are done, like I said, switch to the
Under the beast, man. Time is also over.
Okay. I am bad with bullet. Good game.
टाइमर मारिए
कितने मूव दे दिए भाई? अरे मूव कर रहा है
टाइमर ही मारना होता है रिमूव करके क्या फायदा
You have done it, right?
ये क्या था
इसको बोलते स्लो कैसे? I don't know how many of our people are from that. Then you can do a poll on the group. Oh yeah, that works. Yes, we'll do something. Works. Perfect. I'll see you guys, yeah? For future events. Had fun, right? Yeah. Had fun. All right. Thank you.
Almost it's all the problem or he's a piece of.
play the clock first
That's the problem for me. I am not habituated to play with this clock. তুমি ইকুয়ালাইজ কেন করছো ভাই?
Cut the photo.
সরি।
What was the point you just did?
resign some party is going on no? Everyone is there only hey what about others man
Come on, it's a draw. It's a draw.
done
It's a draw.
very very slow and then
So for the first time I came into this event. So this is a Chess Nexus event and it's really good. I met so many good friends, good players who I will be in touch with. They have organized the event in a really good way. And so many chess variants. We had one small tournament. It was a friendly match and it was really good. So superb. I would like to, say that please go on with this event. Make more people from Bangalore to come and enjoy such events. It's really good and 100% recommended. So thanks.
Thank you so much.
I had an overall a very good event. We made so much fun and there were so many good players I came to know about. And also they do a lucky draw, which I forgot to tell you in the video. And they give the diamond membership. So I won the diamond membership for 1 month. So it was really great. And also I made so many good friends. In later videos you will get to watch my 1-to-1 game with them as well. Also I will give you the Chess Nexus link. They do the events in monthly basis. They do it in the Kormangla, Jayanagar and many other places. You can visit their website, so I will provide you guys the link to go there and visit it. So 100% recommended. If you are in Bangalore, you should definitely visit such events in Sunday. If you love chess or just want to casually play chess, meet people, this is the best event. So yeah.